What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras, and in today's self-haircut video, I'm going to be giving myself the Chris Bossio Clipper Technique self-haircut. I've got my notes right here with every single step that Chris Bossio does, and in today's video, I'm just going to be going in step by step and giving myself the same exact type of haircut that Chris Bossio would give his clients. And if you guys don't already know, Chris Bossio is a big-time YouTuber and barber with over 400,000 YouTube subscribers. But I'm ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get right into this 360 before.
Do not go gently into that good night.
Alright everyone, so using my wall beard trimmers, I'm just going to be putting in that first initial guideline slightly below the corner of my eyebrow and then curving it around my ear and then eventually making a straight line along the back of my head. So give it that nice curve right around the ear to give it that nice flow with the natural shape of your head with your trimmer. And make sure you do the same exact thing on the left side of your head as well. Do your best to look at the mirror and make sure that both sides are roughly even. You want them both to be even on the left and the right side so you don't have a crooked guideline, because this is pretty much going to be the guideline that sets you up for the entire haircut. And now using the no guard with the lever completely open, I'm going up about 1/2 an inch to 3/4 of an inch from that initial guideline that I made with the wall trimmers. And make sure you do the same exact thing all around your head, keeping each guideline roughly 1/2 an inch to 3/4 of an inch from the previous guideline. So this is why I kind of got a little bit confused when I was watching Chris Bossio's video. He went straight from the lever open to the number 2 guard lever open. So he kind of skipped like a guard or two and just kind of removed all the bulk. And in the video that I watched, the client's hair was relatively short on the sides, kind of like mine right now. So it's kind of weird how he jumped. You know, I kind of like doing my guidelines in chronological order, you know, going from no guard lever open to 1 lever open to 2 lever open, 3 lever open, 4 lever open, and so forth. And just having the skip kind of threw me off. And you can see right now, just jumping to the number 1 guard lever open and kind of backtracking in a way, going up about 1/2 an inch from the previous guideline. But then also the number 2 guard with the lever open that I did before this guideline, I went up about a solid 2 inches. And so the next step that Chris did, he basically kept the number 1 guard on and closed the lever completely, basically just nicking at that harsh line to just soften it up so we can go in with the 1/2 guard and remove it with the 1/2 guard. And so using the half guard with the lever completely closed, I'm just going in and using the corners to flick out the hard line. I'm also going in and just kind of flicking it out as well with the whole blade. So I kind of do both. I use the corners of the clipper, and then I also, as you can see right here, flick out with the entire blade, you know, starting from beneath the hard line and flicking up into the hard line, not trying to dig too much into the actual length within the guideline. So half guard, lever closed, just flicking out that hard line. And so now using the 1.5 guard with the lever completely closed again, I'm just going to be going in and doing the same exact thing and flicking out that hard line.
Do not go gently into that good night.
So now that majority of the haircut is complete, we still have a few things left to go in detail, but the next thing we're going to do is put on the no guard, lever closed, so don't have any guard on, keep the lever closed, and flick out the bottom hard line. Now remember, we used the wall trimmers to put in that first guideline, so unless you have zero gapped clippers, I don't, you're probably going to have to go in and use the trimmers again to completely knock out the bottom hard line. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but at least on the side of my head, you can't really see too much of a hard line left after using the no guard lever closed. But once you get towards the back of your head, there's a lot more hair. It's more dense with hair. So you'll see the hard line a little bit more toward the back of your head, whereas on the side you may not because there's a little bit less hair. So go back in with the trimmers and remove any excess hair to completely get rid of that hard line. So in the video that I watched, Chris used clipper over comb, not thinning shears in a comb. So you can imagine how difficult it would be if I tried to use clipper over comb on my own hair. So I'm pretty good at using thinning shears and comb. It's definitely a more advanced skill to have when you're blending in the side by your part line to the length on top. But if you guys do want to learn in a little bit more detail, I talk a lot about this within my self-haircut course. So you guys, if you want to check it out, it's in the first link at the top of the description, and you can find it at alexkouras.com.
Do not go gently into that good night.
So now for the moment you guys have all been waiting for, we're going to be styling my hair with two Hans de Foucault products. We've got the Quicksand and the Claymation, using about a pea-sized amount of each. They're both high hold, they're both matte products. I really enjoy these products. I have a kit if you guys want to jump on, it's linked in the description down below if you want to buy these products as well. It's an affiliate link, so I get like $1 if you want to check it out. But I highly recommend Hans de Foucault. They make awesome hair products that are, you know, relatively healthy for your hair. There's no alcohol or anything crazy like that. So this, you guys, is the before. You know, wasn't looking too good, definitely in need of a haircut. Looking a little bit rough around the edges and so forth, and just bam. All right, Chris over there with that good super good clipper technique. I think the haircut came out pretty well. There's definitely parts where I think I could have did a little bit better. I think I was a little thrown off about the sequence of guidelines that Chris used, and so it kind of messed me up mentally. But no excuses at the end of the day. I gotta be hard on myself. But anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you leave a like if you like the video, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I post videos every single week on my channel, so if you guys want to subscribe, definitely subscribe. Check out my self-haircut course as well. But thank you all so much for your support, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.